Hello my lovies, welcome to Pinspiration Kitchens. I am Pauline. Today we are making some crispy fried chicken. So here are our ingredients. So first of all, we have our chicken and we're going to be adding half teaspoon of Cameroun pepper. This is quite hot, so if you don't want as much, you can reduce the quantity. Then some salt, and you can add this to your taste. I use about half teaspoon of salt here. Then we add half teaspoon of black pepper. And then some garlic powder, about half teaspoon. Now for some white pepper, also half teaspoon. And I've got some ginger powder. You can also use fresh. I'm using quarter teaspoon of ginger powder. Then we have our paprika. I'm using 1.5 teaspoons of paprika. And then for a little extra heat, I've added quarter teaspoon of pepper. I like it very hot. And then lemon zest. So I am grating about a quarter teaspoon of lemon zest. You can choose not to add some lemon zest if you like, but it gives a very nice balanced taste to the chicken. And we're also going to add in some lemon juice, and that will be about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. It really balances out the flavors that are in there, makes it very delicious. So now I'm just going to mix all my spices and massage them with my spoon. That's if you can massage with a spoon, but then I have to go in there with my hands because it's so much better to massage it. And then you have it. That's my chicken, well marinated. So we have 2 eggs and a cup of flour and also a cup of cornflakes, which I've already blended. So I'm going to break my eggs into my bowl and just quickly whisk this and add a little bit of salt just for some extra flavor. And yes, that aspect will be ready for the next stage in our delicious KFC style chicken making. Hey! So now for our flour, I'm going to use pretty much most of the spices I used in the chicken. So I'm just adding quarter teaspoon of white pepper, paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, and then salt to taste. So we get extra flavors in the coating of the chicken. This makes it so yummy and so delicious. You might think it would be overpowering, but it's actually not. It is so beautiful and really tasty. So now this is all ready. These are all my ingredients I'm going to be using to coat my chicken. So my eggs, my flour mixture, and then the cornflakes. So here is my chicken. With one hand I use for my dry ingredients, and the other hand I will use for the wet. So here I just coat the chicken in some flour, and then just keep coating it generously. Make sure it's completely covered, and then into my egg mixture and coat that generously, and then I'm going to sprinkle or coat the chicken in the cornflakes, and then I keep repeating this step until everything is completely done. So guys, this is pretty simple and pretty easy to make. I know at the moment we're all missing KFC and all those fancy nice chickens, Nando's that we all love during this period because we're not able to go out. But hey, I've got you. I've got you. So here's the recipe. Try it. It's so easy to make, not complicated at all. You can add other flavors that you like, try it out and let me know. Yeah, let me know what I'm missing. So now in a hot pan with some oil, I'm just going to fry my chicken, and try not to overcrowd your pan. On each side I fry them for about 10 minutes because it's on low heat. So now these are my sides. I have sweet corn and some prawns, and for my prawns I use garlic powder, salt, and some curry powder to flavor my chicken, and I also use some Cameroun pepper and also white pepper. You can add a variety of spices that you like, but I just prefer to use these ones as I really like these flavors. And for my sweet corn, no flavoring is needed. So my chicken is frying nicely and it's almost done. So we keep frying and frying until everything is done. So for my coleslaw, I've got 3 carrots I'm going to be using, some sweet onions, and cabbage and spring onions. So I will not be using the head of my spring onions, just the ends, the green parts. So I'm just going to slice them into small pieces and just set them into my bowl, and then I'll prepare all the other vegetables. So I'm just going to slice my cabbage. You can grate your cabbage, but I like them in slightly bigger slices, so feel free to grate yours and then set aside into the bowl. I'm going to grate my carrots until completely grated. So I'm going to be using mayonnaise as my dressing, and adding some Cameroun pepper. It's very hot, so if you don't like it too strong, you can reduce how much you add in, but I'm putting in about a 1/4 teaspoon of Cameroun pepper. You can also use chili flakes if you like, or any other hot kind of spice that you enjoy. So I will just add this in and then mix it all in. It will be ready. Yay! So here is my coleslaw, looking gorgeous, looking good. Hey, can you see that, guys? Ooh. So our yummy chicken is ready with sweet corn and prawns at that side of coleslaw. Hey, it's so good. It was so crispy and delicious. The chicken inside was so moist and so beautiful. Worth the try, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Try out the recipe and let me know if there's any other dishes you want me to show you how to make, and then we'll try it all out. But hey, enjoy this, guys. Enjoy this.